and shine, unveiling the top 5 men's trimmers, your ultimate buying guide. Fashion is changing rapidly and so are grooming standards. Styling your beard can make a lot of difference, and it's essential that you have a trimmer that has multiple styling options and is also easy on the pockets. Choosing the best trimmer for your needs can be tricky, but we have some good options to help you decide. Our product comparison based on features, specifications, pros and cons will definitely help you make the best purchase. So check out this specially designed list, as you can no longer ignore choosing the perfect trimmer made just for you. So here we present to you the top 5 trimmers for men that are a must buy. Realme Beard Trimmer. Excellent design, waterproof feature, low noise and more runtime are reasons the trimmer has gained immense popularity and what separates it from the rest. There is a limited time offer on Realme Beard Trimmer in the price range of $1,200 to $1,400. You can buy this trimmer from Amazon or Flipkart. It is an exciting offer and a limited time deal. So hurry, click on the I button on the top right to buy this product before it runs out of stock. Xiaomi Mi Beard Trimmer. Another trusted brand in the market, Xiaomi is known for its high-end products with excellent designs, with a travel lock, stainless steel blades and up to 40 length settings. This trimmer for men is a power-packed product, a cut above the rest. It also has Type-C fast charging and an LED display. It is waterproof and has an impressive 90 minutes cordless runtime with a unique travel log feature as well. There is a limited time offer on Xiaomi Mi Beard Trimmer. You can buy this trimmer in the price range of $1,900 to $2,100 from Amazon or Flipkart. Hurry, click on the I button on the top right to buy this product before it runs out of stock. Philips Beard Trimmer BT9010-15. The trimmer comes with self-sharpening blades to keep the product effective for longer. With excellent battery backup and USB charging, this product is your best bet if you are looking for a reliable trimmer for men. The Philips Beard Trimmer is not only reliable, but it is also a no-fuss product at a pocket-friendly price of Rs. 795 only. Want this pocket-sized wonder delivered to you instantly? Look no further. Click on the I button on YouTube and order it now. Panasonic ER307. This product provides high performance and excellent grooming with a quick adjust style and 12 different settings. The product supports both cord and cordless usage and comes with Japanese technology. Discover this amazing product by quickly placing your order by tapping the I button on YouTube. Havells BT9010 Fast Charging Trimmer. The Havells BT9010 trimmer for men comes with 20 different length settings, titanium blades and wider coverage on the face. There are various trimmers from the brand and this one is one of the best offerings available. Check out the product and order it now by accessing the I button on YouTube. Be ready to experience a great product suitable for your use. So these were 5 best trimmers for you. There is a limited time offer on all the 5 trimmers. Give your beard a new look, and to buy any of the trimmers, click on the links mentioned in the description below. Find the best deals and offers in the links mentioned in the description below and get your hands on the new trimmers today.